Hey guys, what's up? It's unboxing time again, and today, as you can already pretty much tell, not just by kind of looking here, but probably the title, I am going to be doing an unboxing of the new iPhone 11 Pro. I am very excited. I've had my phone, I want to say like 4 years. Basically, the phone I have now is the iPhone 7. I'm not the type to upgrade every single year. I usually like pay off my phone and just kind of give it a few years and then, upgrade after that. So I thought it was about time. And like I said, I'm very excited about this unboxing. I'm going to be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of like the 3 huge cameras. Not because of having them, I don't know, I just don't completely like how it looks. I've seen a lot of the memes too, and they're very hilarious. But I will admit, I've also seen a lot of like the video footage and the pictures and stuff being taken with the phone, and it just looks gorgeous. So, like I said, I'm excited. So let's go ahead and of course get into this. I did pick this up from the Apple Store. I actually ordered online and had it delivered, which is really cool and convenient. So brought in a nice little Apple Store baggie. Let's go ahead and zoom that in a little better. Alright, so as you can pretty much already see, I did go ahead and pick up, I want to say it's called Space Gray. I think that's what it was. Forgive me if I am wrong, but this is how the boxing is on these. There we go. Nice Apple logo on the ends there. And then the iPhone branding there. And of course you get a nice little picture on top of the phone. And in the back, of course, you get all the details of on that. So let's go ahead and, it's been a minute, so let's see if I still remember. So it looks like we have that there. Alright. I'm just gonna lift up just like that. And now we get to do the nice little reveal there. Right. There you go. And as you can see, there is the phone. I love the idea of like the matte finish on phones. I know that's not something everyone loves, but I absolutely love it. I think it looks a lot nicer. And the fact that they were able to kind of pull it off with glass, it's really crazy. The phone is pretty beautiful. Like I said, I'm not the biggest fan, I guess, of the design there when it comes to the cameras. But, I'm excited either way. Definitely a huge upgrade from the phone that I currently have. Oh yeah, it has a little bit of, it's not super heavy, but it does have a little bit of a weight. I do believe I've seen online. It's I can't remember what I made it with. Okay, so I quickly looked it up. The finish is stainless steel. Like I said, you can pretty much feel like it's slightly heavier, at least in the phone that I have. You can feel like quality basically with it. So let's go ahead and take this apart that a lot of people love here. There you go. Wanted to get a little bit of the sound in there for you guys. And of course, this is something, like I said, I'm gonna have to get used to. No more buttons on the front, just full screen. There we go. And then we have, like I said, the nice back matte finish. The logo is now centered on the phone. Got the 3 cameras up there. There we go. And that one got the glossy finish there. And yeah, and then we just have, of course, the button on the side here. See if I can get that in focus for you guys. Can't really get in focus too well. There we go. Okay. So there's that side. And we got the other side here. And they did just announce the new AirPod Pros, I think they call them. Don't think I'll be picking them up anytime soon though. I have the other ones, the original ones, I guess, and they work just fine for now, so let's go ahead and place that there. And then of course we got up next all the little inserts designed by Apple in California. Got the little hello in there, and then you got the, I can already see Apple stickers back there. You got the nice little tool to kind of help us put the SIM in there and whatnot. So there's that. And in here we have the Apple Pods, I forget, the earbuds, but this is of course the cord ones in there. So we have some of those. We have the Apple USB, and I believe this is the, I forget exactly what name they call it, but basically it's a faster charger for your phone. So that's really cool. They put it in here. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all there is in there. Of course, the lovely phone, the little inserts, and the little accessories slash charger. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.